This is a very nice 62 Chevy two-door Bel Air. It's got the original rust-free frame, rust-free floors, trunk. I like this better than frame off because it's pretty darn original. Of course, it has to be a four-wheel go by just when you're trying to do a little video. That's another one. They're having fun. Everything works on this car. Parking brake, turning signals. There's power steering, manual brakes. Nice finish. Sounds good. Solid doors. Good glass. Well, 283, which I think somebody's boosted a little bit. I've had 283s before, but this one has a good kick to it. Stereo CD player. Very nice headliner. It's a non-matching 283. Took me a while to figure that out. The only thing that doesn't work is the original radio, but it does have the CD stereo mounted under the dash. What a great car to put a 409 in. They did put them into the two-door sedan. So those are big buck cars. I know where there's a couple 409 if someone's interested, I can put you in touch with them. Isn't that nice? I love that. Just, you don't have to slam them. Oh, it just sounds good. Oh, there. I just love cars. I love having them for a while. Some of them I drive, but I really can't afford any of them, but I can't resist. There's tinted windows. My wife tells me it's time to retire. Don't think so. I think the chrome is original, which is very good. There is a place right here, and I think I know what it is. Some scratches right here on the bumper. I think a long time back somebody put on one of those damn trailer hitches they used to bolt on. But you have to get right on top of it to see it. From what I see, it's got all the original quarter panels. I'm not finding any rust places or any wells. Very nice. It's all original. It has fender skirts. They could use a few touch-ups, but they're still pretty nice. They were on the car when I got it. I like it without the skirts, but they go with it. The speaker system. We'll classical music today. I think these stickers are original, and I think that all this is original, even down to the paint. I don't think it was painted when the car was painted. It's got one paint on it, which is pretty common. That's a long time ago. Just good. That sounds nice. Those are, I think, glass backs on it. They're not burned out or anything, but at some point they will be. You probably want to put on some turbo mufflers. But at the moment it sounds perfectly legal and it's perfectly good. Really nice sound. Let's have a look at the side here. Just as straight as an arrow. It's really straight. I asked the previous owner if he had the original wheels. The answer was no. I don't understand that. It's got nice crackers on it, and they're the older ones that are good heavy crackers. Excuse me. Yeah, that door's locked. Straight, very straight. I had a two-door hardtop way back. It was a few years old. I loved that car. But this two-door post is great too. They're getting to be quite rare because many times they were just an old person's car. But I'm old now, so that works. See if I can get a peek at the engine. I apologize for my shakiness, but and I'm not a drinking man either. See if I can do this one sweet. Does it release before I start. Anyway, well detailed. It's got a modern day alternator on it, which is a great generator. I have to work on those most of the time when I had them. Notice the firewall. That's all original. I haven't found any weld or anything in it. And I'd say these liners are all original. This rubber piece has been added. Nice car. Right there. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All you're sitting there is a piece of dirt. All gone. Not the cleanup man I used to be. But let me know if you have any questions. I will get back to you. Thank you. I will put out on the road pictures here in a few minutes. It's just on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and type in Wayne 6843. Thank you.